Welcome to Approvefy, B2B registration and approvals.
Getting started has 4 steps.
Step 1. Turn on Approvefy under Theme Settings, App Embeds, then Save. Required on every page. Step 2. Set up the registration page. Approvefy creates the page, template, and form block. Open the theme editor and save. Step 3. Open Form Builder, review the default form, and save. Step 4. Open Settings, configure languages, style, approvals, email, and messages, then save once. That's it. You're ready to accept B2B registrations. Open Form Configuration. Here you see all your forms, form ID, name, type, and status. Click Create Form to add a new one. Choose how you want to collect B2B customers. Wholesale registration form for storefront signups, or Shopify B2B company to create a company when approved. In the Form Builder, set the form name, heading, description, button text, and customer tags. Live Preview shows how it looks on your storefront. Under Form Elements, drag to reorder fields, toggle visibility, or remove them. Click Add Field to add more. Save when you're done. Open the Appearance tab to customize how the form looks on your storefront. Pick a ready-made template, like Minimal Light, and the preview updates right away. Then adjust font family and sizes for heading, description, labels, inputs, and the button. Set text alignment for desktop and mobile separately. Click Save to apply, or reset to defaults anytime. Open Settings. Save once at the top when you're done. Store. Redirect guests away from checkout and buy it now. Optionally redirect the customer account icon to your registration page. You can also redirect customers without the approved tag and show a pop-up message. Language. Choose which languages show on the registration form and set the default. Manage translations for form labels and messages. Premium can add custom language codes. Approval. Choose manual or auto approval. Set the approved customer tag. After submit, redirect to a URL or clear the form and show thank you and pending messages. Email, SMTP. Connect your email server to send approval and rejection emails. Use Gmail or custom SMTP, then save. Email, template. Customize approval and rejection emails. Turn send email on or off for each. Edit branding, subject, body, button, and footer. Save at the top to finish.